Ever felt like you couldn't shake off exhaustion, even after a full night's sleep? The truth? You're not tired, you're nutrient-starved, and nature already has the fix. Meet ashwagandha, rhodiola, and moringa, your herbal dream team. Ashwagandha battles stress-induced burnout, resetting your mind and body for calm energy. Then there's rhodiola, your go-to for physical recovery. Whether tackling a workout or a draining day, it keeps you steady. Finally, don't overlook moringa, the nutrient powerhouse loaded with vitamins and minerals to restore vitality from the inside out. Stick with me, because at 7 o'clock, we'll talk about the herb that genuinely changed my life during my worst burnout. The best part, you can combine all three for an unbeatable, natural fatigue remedy. So, why wait? Drop energy in the comments if exhaustion feels like your shadow. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more weekly wellness hacks from Herbal Healing. Herbal. Let's recharge naturally.